going to show you how to create this soft glam smoky eye, perfect for the holidays or any occasion, using Sigma Enchanted eyeshadow palette. I am priming my eyes with the Dominique Everlasting eyeshadow base, and I also forgot to apply some tape, so I am applying the tape right here, and this would just help me for my shadows to look nice and precise. All of the brushes I'm using are from Sigma, and I have a discount with them, so I will add it below. First shadow that I'm using is Quartz from the Enchanted palette by Sigma, and that is just to cover the base. The first shade I'm using is Loam, and I'm blending it right into the crease using a soft window shield wiping motion. This is going to give us that soft diffused space. For my second transition shade, I'm using Terra, and I'm applying this in a swiping motion onto my lid in the inner corner and outer corner. This color by itself is just so freaking gorgeous.
Sure, Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
With a smaller blending brush, I am taking Wicked in my outer corner, and this will create some depth. For this shadow, you do want to be careful because it is pigmented, it is black, it is matte, so a little bit goes a long way, but as you guys can see, I am blending in real time and it blends beautifully. My favorite part to do, I am grabbing a flat shader concealer brush and just cleaning up that lid area. Take your time so it can look nice and clean. So now taking a flat shader eyeshadow brush and applying this gorgeous silver green shade, which is called Cosmos. It is so beautiful. To me, it's like a silver green, and then I'm going to be applying again Wicked as my eyeliner because I didn't want to overpower this look with a, liquid eyeliner. So I feel like a shadow one will be perfect. And look at that, when I take the tape off, it's just so beautiful and clean. Look at my bottom lash line. I am taking Loam, Terra, and Claystone. I'm applying a couple coats of mascara, some Ardell wispy lashes, and don't forget to apply your black eyeliner on top of your waterline because girl, you need that. You don't want that space. And a little bit winging it out my inner corners to make it look nice and sexy. And there you guys have this soft glam smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and share this with your friends. Also follow me on TikTok and Pinterest. See you guys soon. Bye bye.